Virginia hit-and-run accident lawyer. A hit-and-run accident leaves you dealing with injuries, vehicle damage, and unanswered questions about who caused the crash. Under Virginia law, the driver who fled the scene committed a crime, but that does not automatically guarantee you will receive compensation for your medical bills and lost income. You still have legal options, even if the other driver is never identified. According to the Virginia Department of Motor Vehicles, 5,947 drivers were involved in hit-and-run accidents across the Commonwealth in 2023 alone. The moments after a hit-and-run are critical for both your safety and your legal claim. If you are physically able, try to note details about the fleeing vehicle before they fade from memory. Call 911 immediately to report the accident and request medical assistance, as a police report creates an official record of the incident. Document the scene using your phone to photograph vehicle damage, skid marks, debris, and the surrounding area. Seek medical attention even if injuries seem minor, as some injuries may not produce symptoms for hours or days. Contact your own auto insurance company to report the accident and open an uninsured motorist claim. Virginia treats leaving the scene of an accident as a criminal offense under Virginia Code Section 46.2 894. Any driver involved in a collision that results in injury, death, or property damage must stop immediately and exchange information. A hit and run involving injury or death is a Class 5 felony in Virginia, carrying up to 10 years in prison and fines up to $2,500. When the accident involves more than $1,000 in damage to attended property, the offense is also a Class 5 felony. Virginia law provides a clear path to compensation even when the at-fault driver cannot be identified through uninsured motorist coverage. Under Virginia Code Section 38.2-2206, Virginia auto policies must include uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage at statutory minimums. This coverage applies when you are hit by an uninsured driver or when the at-fault driver in a hit-and-run is unknown. Uninsured motorist coverage pays for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages up to your policy limits. Since July 2024, Virginia has required registered vehicles to carry liability insurance or otherwise satisfy Virginia's financial responsibility requirements. One important detail that many residents overlook is that uninsured motorist coverage applies even when there is no physical contact between vehicles. If a driver swerves into your lane and forces you off the road without making contact, you can still file a claim in Virginia. Contact Gibson-Singleton Virginia Injury Attorneys at 804-413-6777, located at 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia 23072, to schedule your consultation today.